Hello everyone, today I make carrots and radish pickles. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. Very simple recipe. I have 4 carrots and a piece of white radish, a cup of vinegar, 2 cup water, half cup of sugar, and you cook that until the sugar dissolve, and that's it. You let it cool while you prepare the vegetables. These pickles are very popular in Vietnam. We put them in sandwiches, we put them on rice, we put them on salad, a lot of things. That sweet and sour very complements other dishes. So first I peel the carrots. You can see that the vinegar mixture is ready. Now I peel the radish, white radish, or you can call it daikon radish. Then you wash. Now I have the mandolin. If you don't have mandolin, you can use the peeler, but it's a lot easier if you have a mandolin. So my mandolin has 3 sizes, big, small, and this is medium. So I use the middle one. And you just slide through, and it makes threads for you. See, on the first try, it's a little short. Now, if I want longer, I can fit my carrots lengthwise a little more longer, and you can see they are longer threads. Now I do the same thing with the white radish. So my ratio here is almost 1:1. So after I'm done julienne, I use 1 tablespoon of salt, and I will soak this for 1 hour or 2. I want to have some garlic and shallot to mix in, so I have 2 garlic cloves and 1 shallot. I peel and I slide them. So I come back about the ratio. I like the smell of daikon radish in these pickles. So if you like me, you can do the ratio 1:1. But if you don't like a lot of daikon radish, you can do half of it in comparison with the carrots. So you can use the ratio 2:1. So after 1 hour, if you touch the threads, they are softer now, and they exuded liquid. So I go ahead and wash them, because if you don't wash them, you will see, you will taste salty. The pickles coming out should be sweet and sour, not salty. So I wash and I squeeze out the water. You can see in here, if I don't squeeze more, you see still water inside. The more you make it dry, your pickle will be crunchier. So I try to squeeze more water out of them, and after that we will mix with garlic and shallot slices. And remember, our vinegar, sugar, water ready. They are warm right now, so you can use it when it's warm or cool. That's what I prefer. And we will soak this on the counter for 1 hour. After that, I will place them in the jar and keep it in the fridge, and it will be there good for a few months. I always have them in my fridge until it run out. I make new one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.